Hello friends. Welcome to the new video of Elemesh Tech. As last time we have seen 7510P and T, 7569P and T. We had told it in full detail that what is their ampere, what is the voltage, etc. So today we will see about its settings, how to set it. By using these settings, you can on and off your compressor, according to your requirement. Let's start our today's video. Please watch it completely. If you like it after watching it, then like it and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So friends, this is 7510P in front of you. This is a temperature controller. The connection with which we have done is 230 VAC in the port number 4 and 6. And the two wires that are visible on the right side are red and white, which connects probe, which is here. So now it is in off state, we will on it. Now it's on and it is showing you the current temperature. The light is blinking here. If it remains green, then it means that your compressor is on. Now we have not installed the compressor, so it is red for it. So let's watch how to set it. The 4 buttons you see here on controller. Red, green and 2 setup keys. This is the set key, the value you will set up. To set it inside the memory module, you have to press it. Then to save it, you have to press it. To start programming you have to press PRG key and hold down for 2 to 4 seconds. This is the first parameter comes P1. This is P1. P1 is turned on now. If you want to set it up, then press set key. This is 0. 0 setting is for the cooling applications. And 1 is for heating applications, so we will look for cooling applications. Set it to 0. It is done, it's set on P1. Now we come to P2. For P2 you can set the temperature from -50 to 99. We can set it as per our requirement. So then I will set it to 15. It has been set. Now we are coming to P3. Here you can set low temperature in P3. I have done it. We are now come to P4. P4 is too important setting. With this, you can set on or off your compressor by setting the differential. Its factory setting is of 2 degrees. It has become a differential of 2 degrees. So we make it 3 degrees. Right now I have set it to 3 degrees. For differential, if you kept highest point is 15. And if you have set differential to 3, then as soon as your temperature reaches 15, it will be turned off. And as soon as it reaches 15 plus 3, 18 reaches, then the compressor will turn on automatically. So you have to set it according to you. So friends, we have now reached P5. P5 is a parameter for checking misbehave of controller. Sometimes this Subzero controller gets stopped, sometimes misbehaves. That means it will be ahead or behind by half a degree or by 2 degrees. You have to set the value here, by how many degrees it is showing ahead or behind. If the temperature that is showing on your display, about 20 degrees, and if you see in reality, if its temperature is 25 degrees or 24 degrees, then you will set it here 2 or 3. When you set it to 2 or 3, and after as soon as it gets restarted, the exact temperature will be shown. 25, 22, whatever you had set, it means 22 plus 3 or 22 plus 2. The current temperature that he will show you. Right now, we come to P6. This P6 parameter is a special parameter to give your compressor more long life. If you have set 4 or 5 here, then this P6 will keep compressor off for that much time. At that time, what will happen if your set temperature is achieved? If you have set the temperature to 12, 13 or 15, and delay of 5 minutes. For example, when temperature comes to 12 or 13, then it will turn off the compressor until given delay of 5 minutes or 3 minutes. By this your compressor will not be start instantly or will not turn off instantly. And if you have not given time delay here, and if you have kept your temperature setting to 12, then compressor will get off instantly on temperature 12. So as soon as your temperature reaches to 12, the compressor will turn off, but if it goes back to the 11, then your compressor will be turned on again instantly. Due to instant starts and the instant turns off, there are chances of compressor getting damaged, so you should keep delay of 2 or 4 minutes. 3 minutes delay should be kept compulsory to start compressor after 3 minutes. Poet sir. LP is the parameter that comes after P66. LP parameter is to lock temperature controller's keypad. It must be used for lock and unlock keypad. If it is on 0, then the keypad is unlocked. You can change the setting at any time. If you make it 1 and set it here, then that keypad will be locked. You will not be able to change it. And if you want to remove, or do it back, then you have to change it in the same parameter. So after LP, we have reached FS, or you can say F5. F5 parameter is to remove, or reset all earlier given parameters, or to keep the parameters you have made so far. If your settings went wrong and you want to fix it, then you can set it by going in same parameter, or you can come to F5 and reset it. If you keep 0, then the values that you have filled so far will be set, they will remain the same. If you make it 1, then all the settings you have done so far will be completely reset. I have cleared the settings I had done so far, now there is nothing in it, then you will have to start completely again. Now after F5, we come to E1. E1 is for compressor. To make on off. Without probe. If your probe gets spoiled, then you can control it compressor by E1. So, if E1 is 1, that means your compressor will remain on. If you make it 0, your compressor will be off as soon as probe gets damaged. And if you set it to 2, then like we had given time delay in P6, compressor will work according to it. Like you have set it to in E1, then as soon as the probe gets damaged, according to the time cycle given by you, it will start its work, which means compressor will remain off for 5 minutes and will turn on for 5 minutes, will be off after 5 minutes. This is continues. Now we move to P0. P0 parameter is for lights glowing on this controller. To keep them on or off only. EP is ahead of it now. This is its last parameter. And so far, to set the settings that you have done inside it, the EP parameter will save them. Like after pressing Set EP, it will start showing the current temperature and all your settings will be saved for it. Those all are the parameters and how to set it. If you liked this video, then definitely make a comment, and if you feel that you need some more information to be given, then tell us and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.